channel, guys. I wanted to give it a try. Today is a day 2, so we're gonna try again. This is my favorite spot. Go down, no lift, you gotta walk up. It's a workout. So do it just the way I like it. We're gonna test it out of the snow and see how it feels. Snow feels amazing. I'm just going to speed it up things for you here so you don't have to see me walking up. But this is awesome.